Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of meal prepping. If you're a busy person who wants to eat healthy without spending hours in the kitchen every day, this video is for you. We're going to break down the process of meal prepping into easy, manageable steps. By the end of this video, you'll be a meal prep pro. But first, let's talk about why meal prep is such a game changer. Why meal prep? Well, meal prepping saves you time, it reduces stress, and it helps you stick to your nutritional goals. By preparing meals in advance, you avoid that urge to grab unhealthy takeout. Plus, it's super easy to control portion sizes and guarantee a balanced diet. Step 1. Plan your meals. First up, decide on your meals for the week. You need balanced protein, healthy fats, and carbs. Here's a sample meal plan. For breakfast, think overnight oats, smoothie packs, egg muffins. Lunch could be a chicken quinoa salad, veggie stir-fry with tofu, turkey, and avocado wraps. Dinner might include baked salmon with roasted veggies, beef and broccoli stir-fry, lentil curry. And for snacks, Greek yogurt with berries, hummus and veggie sticks, mixed nuts. Next, create a shopping list. Based on your meal plan, make that detailed shopping list. Group items by category to make your shopping trip quicker. Produce dairy, meats, grains, it's that easy. Step 2. Grocery shopping. Stick to your list to avoid those impulse buys. Pick fresh, seasonal produce and high-quality proteins. Don't forget to check your pantry to avoid buying duplicates. Step 3. Prepping ingredients. Wash and chop those veggies as soon as you get home. Store them in airtight containers. This trick saves serious time during the week. Cook grains and proteins in large batches. Think quinoa, brown rice, chicken, tofu, beans, you name it. Store these in the fridge for easy access. Step 4. Assemble your meals. Batch cooking. Prepare big batches of meals like a large pot of chili or roasted veggies. Divide into individual portions, and you're set. Mix and match. Keep meals interesting by mixing and matching those ingredients. Grilled chicken can be used in salads, wraps, or with roasted veggies. Step 5. Store your meals. Use high-quality containers to keep your food fresh. Glass containers are great for reheating. Mason jars work wonders for salads, and don't forget, label each container with the date and contents. Here are some tips for efficiency. Use a slow cooker or instant pot. These can cook large batches with minimal effort. Invest in good containers. Leak-proof and microwave-safe are key. Double up on recipes when cooking dinner and freeze half for another time. Assign theme days like Meatless Monday or Taco Tuesday to simplify planning. Now for some tips for variety. Spice it up with different herbs and spices. Rotate proteins, chicken, fish, beef, tofu, and legumes. Incorporate seasonal produce to add freshness and variety. Here's a sample weekly meal plan to get you started. So there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to meal prepping like a pro. By dedicating a few hours each week to plan, shop, and prep, you can ensure that you always have nutritious and delicious options on hand. With these tips and a bit of practice, you'll be a meal prep expert in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips. Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite meal prep hacks. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.